Add this drink in your breakfast routine for a stronger bones, teeth, and muscles 3-in-1. Save this video so you don't lose it. For the recipe, put 1 teaspoon sesame seeds in a bowl. Sesame seeds are packed with essential nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are crucial for bone health. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth, while magnesium supports muscle function and bone density. Before step forward, please follow and subscribe to get healthy tips daily. Add 1 date. Dates are nutrient-rich fruits, packed with minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. Additionally, it has vitamin K and fluorine content. 1 piece of fig. Figs provide magnesium and potassium, which contributes to bone strength and muscle function. Figs are rich in calcium, which is essential for bone and teeth health. And then add 1 cup of water. Soak these ingredients for overnight. After that, remove the date seed and put in a blender. Also, put rest of the ingredients into the blender and blend them well. Take 1 cup of hot milk, add 1 teaspoon of this recipe in it, mix well and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Like and share this video to your family and friends.